Hello, my name is Bradley Mayer-Harman with the Mayer-Harman Real Estate Team. I'm excited to show you our new listing in Tottenham. Tottenham's a fantastic community. It's got some fantastic schools, recreational facilities and areas, and so much more. Welcome to 42 Adeline, located on a quiet court, perfect for your next family home. This 4-bedroom detached backs onto a park as well. Let's go inside and take a look. What a fantastic family home to start or to continue your family's journey. Located in such a fantastic spot, you really should come check it out and see if this will be your new home.